Tim Jabari here from Frontier Chrysler Smithers, and today I want to take a moment to talk about an incredible opportunity that is right in front of you. If you have been thinking about upgrading to a diesel truck, now is the time to act. We're offering no charge diesel discount, which means you can save nearly $10,000 on a brand new diesel truck. But there's the thing. This discount is only available until the end of the month. After that, it's gone. Opportunities like this don't come around often. Imagine upgrading to a powerful, fuel-efficient, and long-lasting diesel truck, knowing you have made a smart financial move by saving thousands. Don't let this chance slip away. If you have been considering making the switch, there is no better time than right now to upgrade. This is your moment to drive away in the truck you have always wanted, with a huge discount that won't be around for long. Don't wait, because once it's gone for good. Let's make the most of this opportunity together. Call Frontier Chrysler today, 250-847-4266 to book an appointment.